In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a user in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you have to log in as the admin, and then you want to go to the company menu up top, and then in here you can see users, and when you hover over it, you want to click on setup users and roles. Now in here it's going to prompt you to log in. You can log in if you want to. I'm going to skip this part, and in here you can see users and roles. Of course, you can create roles if you want to over here, and then you can add users over here by clicking on this blue new button. When you do so, you have to give it a username. So I'm going to just type in, for example, instant how to, and then you have to put in the password, which is optional. I'm just going to put in a simple password and confirm it as well. And then over here, you can add the roles. I'm just going to make instant how to an accountant. So I'm going to click on here and continue. And then down here, you want to put in the user's email. Okay. So just basically type in their email just like this. Now over here, it says that they will send an invite or upgrade to access Intuit account roles. And when you do that, just click on OK over here, and of course it's going to prompt you to log in again in case you didn't log in earlier, and that's all you have to do. As you can see, this is going to add the user in here, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.